9 o'clock. Hey there. So I made it to town, and I'm real happy about it. My dogs are real happy about it too. I think this is the funnest thing they have to do in their whole life, is they get to go to town, smell other stuff, get a little bit of my sandwich, and I'm here so early that I can't get anything done yet. Which is actually a great problem, because it's really pleasant to sit here with nothing else I have to do in this exact moment. All I got to do is get back home, and I got a couple errands to do. So I feel great. There are times I feel like selling out. I'm very tempted. I could sell the whole forest, and I would be wealthy. I could retire. Wouldn't have to have conflict with people about, them wanting shit for me I don't feel like giving them, and thinking that they can own my land or control me. I could just become a normal person living a wonderful, nice life. But I don't want to give up on my goals. I know they're unreasonably huge goals and they're impossible. But I'm going to do them anyway. Somebody's got to do with the things I'm trying to do. And I'm doing it at great cost. My opportunity cost has been massive over the last 20 years. But I don't care. I'm doing what I want to do. And the ability to do that is a luxury in life. It's pretty fantastic. Oh, man. Oh. Excellent.